Hi, this is Connie. Today's recipe is the popular pepper and cheese pasta sauce, Cacio e Pepe, and we'll show a secret on how to make this cheese sauce perfectly every time.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
Getting right into the recipe, we're using the secret we mentioned for the perfect cheese sauce. We'll start by adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to 10 ounces of very cold water, and mix it thoroughly. Make sure that the cornstarch is completely dissolved with no lumps. Place the cornstarch mixture in a small pan, and heat it up over low-medium temp. Continue to stir until the cornstarch takes on a milky and gooey-like consistency. Now we'll put it aside and allow it to cool until we need it later. Since we're going to need the starchiness of the pasta water soon, we're going to salt the pasta water and drop the pasta now. The next step is to combine all of the ingredients that make up the sauce. To the 1 3/4 cups of parmigiano romano and 1 3/4 cups pecorino romano cheeses, we add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper or freshly crushed peppercorns. Now we pour in the cooled cornstarch mixture. To make the ingredients more mixable, add about a half cup of water from the pot that's cooking the pasta. This will help make the mixture easier to blend to a smooth consistency in the food processor. Take a moment to subscribe to our Quick Recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
Allow the processor to blend the sauce thoroughly. In a preheated pan large enough to mix the entire amount of pasta being served, add some more water from the pasta pot. Figure 3 tablespoons of pasta water to start for each serving that you'll be preparing. Then add 3 tablespoons of the pasta sauce to the pan for each serving. Since we're going to serve 4 adults, which is what this recipe is for, all of the sauce is going into the pan at once, but spooning it into the pan 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix the sauce and pasta water until creamy, under low-medium heat. Now you can see how the cornstarch mixture keeps the cheese smooth and rich, without becoming a gloopy mess. About 2 minutes short of being fully cooked, add the pasta straight from the pot into the sauce. As we're mixing the sauce and pasta, the pasta will continue to complete the cooking process.
Here's the list of ingredients for the pepper and cheese pasta sauce known as Cacio e Pepe.
First, 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper or freshly crushed peppercorns, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 10 ounces of really cold water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 3/4 cups of parmigiano romano cheese, 1 3/4 cups of pecorino romano cheese, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, for the pasta water, 1 pound of spaghetti or long-strand pasta, like our favorite bucatini.
You can review the list in the Show More section below. Plus there's a download link there also for the entire recipe.
It's a simple dish that those who love cheese will thoroughly enjoy. To finish it off, sprinkle it with a little bit of either parmigiano romano or pecorino romano cheese, and a dusting of freshly ground black pepper.
This pepper and cheese pasta is the Italian mac and cheese.
Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickRecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.